Want to test your skills in a Fortnite tournament or win real cash in Cash Cups? It's easier than you think, but you need to meet a few simple requirements. In this quick video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get you ready to compete in no time. First, open Fortnite and go to the top menu, then click Compete. You'll see a list of upcoming or live events. Only live tournaments are available to join. Click on a tournament to see details like event date and time. To participate, make sure you have a verified email on your Epic Games account. Two-factor authentication, turn on. After that, go back to the main page. Scroll to the Buy Epic section. Find the rank caps, click select, and you're good to go. Now you're all set to jump into Fortnite competition. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.